This is DJI Air 3, and today I'll show how you can power the remote controller and the aircraft itself on and off. So starting with the RC or your remote controller, the way you switch it on is press the power button once and then press it again and hold. So once and then hold. And you power it off identically. Press the button once and then press it the second time and hold it. The aircraft goes by the same logic. Let me unfold its legs first to show you, thus making sure that I will not break anything. So here you have on the battery, you have the power button as well. So press once and then press and hold to switch it on. As you can see, the drone has been powered on successfully, and the same goes for the power off. Press, then press again and hold. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.